In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set take profit in cTrader. A take profit, often shortened to TP, is an instruction that tells your platform to automatically close your trade at a target price, locking in gains when the market reaches your chosen level. Setting it at the moment you place a trade keeps your plan clear and removes the need to watch the screen constantly. First, open the new order window for the symbol you want to trade. You can press F9 on your keyboard or click the new order button on the platform. Before you do anything else, double-check that the symbol at the top of the window matches the market you intend to trade. This helps avoid placing the order on the wrong instrument, especially if you switch charts often. Next, choose your order type. Market orders enter immediately at the current available price. Limit orders are placed at a better price than the current market, aiming for a retracement or fill at a discount. Stop orders are placed beyond the current price, designed to trigger when momentum confirms your direction. Pick the type that fits your plan. Your take profit can be added with any of these order types. Now, look for the Take Profit field in the order panel. It may be labeled Take Profit or TP. You'll typically find it alongside the price and quantity fields. If you don't see it right away, scan the Order Details panel carefully. It's part of the standard ticket. You can set your TP in one of two ways. If you prefer a relative target, enter a pip distance from your entry. For example, on a buy trade, 30 pips means your take profit will be set 30 pips above your entry. On a sell trade, 30 pips places it 30 pips below. When you type a pip value, the platform will calculate the exact price for you. Alternatively, enter an exact price level. This is useful if you've identified a clear level on your chart. Make sure the number of decimals matches the instrument's tick size, and remember that for buys your TP should be above your entry, and for sells it should be below. As you type, cTrader typically updates the corresponding price or distance so you can verify it looks correct. Finally, confirm the trade by clicking Buy or Sell. Your order will be sent with the take profit attached, so if price reaches that level, the platform will close the position automatically. That's all there is to it. Simple, precise, and aligned with your plan.